These POV water slide videos are going extremely viral on social media right now, and this Instagram page has gained more than 20,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. And one of their videos reached 11.9 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the master prompt. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, it will provide you 10 viral waterslide concepts to choose from. And if you want more ideas, just ask, and it will generate fresh ones instantly. Enter the number of the idea you like. I am going with number 2. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide you one image prompt and one motion prompt for that concept. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and turn on all your desired settings. I am choosing Nano Banana 2 for the image. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a couple of seconds, a set of images will be right here in front of you. Choose the one that looks the most immersive and realistic. Click on it, click the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it in. Now, in the video settings, select the ingredients option, choose Omni Flash as your video model, and set the video timing to 10 seconds. Hit enter, and your viral POV waterslide video will be ready in just a few seconds. Let's watch the result. 11.9 million views from a POV waterslide AI video made in under 5 minutes with completely free tools. The master prompt is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.